The purpose of the crankshaft position sensor is in the name. It measures the position of the crankshaft and sends it to the engine control module. This information helps the engine control module to calculate the spark and fuel injection during the 4th stroke cycle. In some cars, it also helps with spotting misfires. The location will be towards the bottom of the engine near the crankshaft. The first symptom of a bad crankshaft position sensor is noticing the engine light on your dashboard. When the crankshaft sensor malfunctions, the engine control module will turn on the engine light to warn the driver. Here's some codes that can pop up. I want to point out that your car can still have a bad crankshaft position sensor without an engine light, so let's move on to the next symptom. The second symptom is a rough idle. You'll feel your car shaking and wanting to turn off in the stop position. When the crankshaft position sensor fails, the engine control module will command the fuel and spark at the incorrect time, resulting in misfires. The third symptom is a hard start or no start at all. If your car is experiencing a hard start, you'll notice the engine cranking longer than usual before it turns on. If your car is experiencing a no start, you'll hear the engine cranking, but it won't turn on. In order for proper combustion to occur, spark needs to be commanded during the power stroke. If the crankshaft sensor is giving a faulty signal to the ECM, it won't know when to command the spark during the 4th stroke cycle. The fourth symptom of a bad crankshaft position sensor is a loss of power. A bad crankshaft sensor reading will cause the spark timing and fuel injection to occur at the wrong time. This is why your car will be a lot slower when trying to accelerate. The fifth symptom is your engine stalling, meaning your engine will randomly turn off while you're driving. This can be very dangerous depending on your situation. If this starts happening to you, get the problem fixed right away. The last symptom your car could be experiencing is poor gas mileage. This is caused by poor spark timing and fuel injection efficiency. Now these were the symptoms of a bad crankshaft position sensor. If you want to learn the symptoms of a faulty camshaft position sensor, click here.